Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context. But very, very nice move today. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that just on Tuesday, the price was down here. Now, all of a sudden, the price has worked its way all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And really, it all revolves around a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that watched the video from yesterday, talked about 75 cents as resistance, but now that the price is up above it, you would want to see that act as support. And especially in this case, why so? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but if the price were to come down to 75 and then break down below it, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that'd be putting the price basically right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, make progress being defined as 75 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, all about that purple line now going forward, the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued at 96 cents. So keep a close eye on that moving into Thursday. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very, very impressive movement, very impressive volume. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.